Here we are back again, kind of. You see, Take on Mars is in early access, and I've been absent. If I press continue the game, it will crash hard. So, in other words, we are going to have to restart. Go from scratch, because there's a lot of new additions. So let's see. I've only read about them in patch notes, but let's see how interesting this is. We're in the 70s now. Welcome to Soviet Russia, where Mars explores you, possibly. Okay, I'm supposed to be deploy the Mars 3 station, perform an analysis of the soil, drive the Prop M rover for at least 30 seconds. What is this? Am I inside something? I believe this is the first landing on Mars. Soft, successful landing by the Soviets in the 70s. This is interesting. So I'm supposed to deploy this. How do I do that? There are 2 cameras. Well, that doesn't do much. Let's press this button. I did it! I think. Now we're supposed to analyze. Oh. And I'm supposed to drive. If I push, no. Are you looking at the same things, camera? I can hear a buzzing, whirring sound. Oh, hang on. Forward. Backwards. Right, left. Any direction? No? There seems to be a slight issue with the ability to move. Does it have anything to do with 0 watts, perhaps? I seem to have an M3S1. Let's use it and see what happens. I'm supposed to perform an analysis of the soil. I performed an analysis of the soil, I think. Oh, things are moving. Can I drive? Not really. Many years... Oh! What do you know? Many years later, something happens. So, welcome to the space program. Yes. Let's skip those. Ah, here we go. We're gonna use game time because I don't want to use real time. That will only cause pain and suffering. Current budget 3 million. So that was apparently like the prelude. Now we are no longer Soviet Russia. Now we are something else. Exploration Mars. We're actually Martians. We've been displaced from our homelands and thrown to somewhere else. So now we have objectives. Nice. Terrain mapping. There are 10 missions on Mars, 4 on Deimos, which is a Martian moon, with 4 optional. Well, and that's all there is. Why do you have an arrow? Seems self-explanatory, and here's the interesting part that I've never seen before. Tech tree. Oh, jeez. Doesn't seem to be zoomable either. I can research this for 25,000. Okay. Let's look at the thing. There's also new craters, I think. Lyot crater. And no new craters here, I don't think. And there's very few craters in the asteroid belt. I thought there were supposed to be the Russian crater, whatever it was called. I've already forgotten. I think it's Patolo something. So let's see. I guess, you know, we'll start here. Are you open? They're all available. These are probably... Yeah, you just shoot a probe with a camera, I think. I assume. We're just supposed to kind of survey the area and assess possible points of scientific value. Lyot crater. Where is the actual crater part of this? Or is this the giant crater? Back to the map. I don't know. You can actually see a crater here. Kaiser. There's a crater there, and this might be something. This is a ridge. It killed us in a parallel universe. I assume this might be like a crater rim. I feel we should go nice and calm and just probe Victoria. She needs a good probing. Let's see. Vehicle details. We're gonna shoot this at Mars with a cycloramic wide-angle camera and a chemical battery, low capacity. Or we'll make a new probe. Should probably not make a new probe. We'll just shoot this at there. It'll be fun. Let's launch the Probomatic 5000 at Victoria. Probe the living daylights out of her. I'm just gonna, let's see, hang on. It's only 52 grand. We have 3,000 grand. Well, I'm gonna launch it and just see what happens. Yeah, sure. Right there is good. The middle of the circle. Circles are generally known for being probable. Okay, we are doing something. Take a photograph. We might be recording. There's a red light. Oh look, I think that's the ground. I think it's approaching very fast. Okay. We made it! We have completed all major things. Or these things might... Oh, hello ground! Ow. Yay! Did it! Now I'm fairly sure this is just basically a camera on a stick that fell from space. Let's check. Here we go. Yes, it's a camera on a stick. With some rockets up here probably. And a satellite dish. Wonder where the actual camera is. Must be on the bottom. maybe? Where's these? Either way, we have explored sand. We have mapped and surveyed sand. And let's figure out what the controls were. Oh, damn it. Hang on. Okay, let's see. There we go, much better. Actually, we're gonna make sure this looks proper, scientific, nice. We're going there. Perfect. There we are. Now, look at the beautiful Martian vista on the screen here. Okay, so we did something. We made a little tiny bit of money. Let's see if there's any difference in this now. We have discovered nothing. Well, no, we're not gonna use the problematic 5000. We need to use the problematic 5,000 and a half to probe a new part of Victoria. Didn't know there were so many parts you could probe on people. Let's see. We'll try to put him slightly off center. Aim not for the center of the little circle, but slightly to the side. There's a lot of crosses on Victoria. Let's see. Take photographs, more photographs. As we plummet to the surface. Let's also do this and see what actually is happening here. Yeah. Oh, damn it. We finished. Yes, there's rockets at the top. It's slowing us down. Eventually, we do some kind of landing like impression. Roll around the floor. That's basically... Yeah, I'd say the camera's at the bottom. We only have one. Okay, that's another mission done. We are chewing through these like crazy. I'm hoping something else would open up. Actually, we've done those two. Let's look at the Tech 3 lander chassis. Mobile chassis, Zero-G probe. This is for the asteroid belt and stuff. I don't know how they work. We know how landers work. We know how rovers work. Let's see. Let's do that. We'll research this. You take time? Yes, you do. Let's check here then. Linear arm housing. I do not know what that is. Mast housing. Medium rover arm. Thermoelectric generator could be useful. We might need power. Optics. High powered illumination. Flashlight, in other words. Camera. Let's research some cameras. Let's research... Automatic lander navigation software sounds very useful. So I don't know how to land landers. Chromatograph sensor firmware. Low range. Low range? Okay, I thought it's long and short. I've never heard of low range. Though I don't know very much about things. Let's see. Soil pH evaluation and gas chromatograph. Let's figure that out. We might be able to analyze something. Is this batteries or something maybe? We probably need to figure that out at some point. I'm just discovering things, hoping access to fancy stuff. like a universal instrument interface will give me access to fancy missions. Let's get a linear arm housing. This might be stuff that holds things. Let's get a linear arm housing. You might be able to attach stuff to that. And internal electronics will probably be useful. Now we're gonna save money to be able to afford using the stuff we have purchased. And while we wait for the scientists to do all the researching, let's launch the Probomatic 5,3/4. While we wait, we'll launch. Let's go there. Off center again, but in a different direction, away from the crater. Because why not? Let's wait with taking pictures until we get a better picture of what pictures we're taking. See here, take a picture. One more. Things are blurry. Look, there's black dots appearing everywhere. More photos, more photos. And now we get more photos. Let's take one more photo. One more. There's not really anything to photo now. Now it's just sand. We're gonna fall over. Yeah! Photo! More photos! Look, Mars is weird. Horizon is all wobbly. It's to the side. There we go. We have all the photos the scientists could ever ask for. How's the tech tree going? Very slow. I'm kind of hoping to get a notification when things finish. Maybe I don't. No, those are the ones on the probe. And that's on the probe. I don't think anything's finished. The lander chassis should probably be the first thing. Maybe. Hopefully, possibly. Perhaps. Should we launch the last one as well? We'll launch the last one as well. Here. The Probomatic 5,000 alpha version. We basically know how they work now. Ah, damn it. Very well. Yeah, we know how they work. We'll just launch the 1.0. Version 1. And we will launch it straight at the center of the bullseye target thingy. It'll work nicely. We'll get all the sciences. We'll take all the pictures. As soon as we have something to take pictures of. Very important. Oh, there's beginning to be dots and blurs. More blurry pictures. Scientists love blurry pictures. Especially close-ups of sand. It's their favorite. Let's look at this. Look at the lines in the sand. All the delicious, delicious photographs. Oh, you should be here, scientists. Look at this. I'm still taking pictures. There we go. Action shots. Splendid. Okay, so we're all probed out of Victoria, right? Yeah. New technology required. Perfect, and we are actually researching new technology. This is going great. Let's see. Can I get this one? Vehicle statistics. Instruments, distance traveled, none. Status. Connect, shutdown. Okay. Well, We have probed Victoria. We can no longer probe Victoria. Victoria is all probed out. Let's see what we'll do to Victoria next time when we return to Mars in a parallel universe to discover the science that we did not discover previously.